What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, whilst speaking in Parliament, Julius Malema has made it very, very clear, that Cyril Ramaphosa must testify before the ad hoc committee. So, Julius Malema, he called for Ramaphosa to testify, as the Parliament's ad hoc committee is going to be probing the damning corruption allegations within the police service. So, this is a move, that can shake the entire country, and this was a demand, by Cyril Ramaphosa that he was making during a virtual meeting that was held on Friday. And Malema was very, very serious, and I'm sure he had this list of people that he wanted. He also even included Gayton McKenzie and Dumisani Kumalo to be part of that list of people that are going to be testifying. So it's going to be exciting to see if Cyril Ramaphosa is going to appear before the committee, but I doubt, that he's going to appear. I feel like he is going to dodge this one and refuse to testify because it's going to be a disaster for them as we are approaching 2026. But how he is going to run away from this commission is going to be very interesting. I'll catch you guys on the next one.